Welcome. In front of me I have KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2, and I'm gonna show you how to add the workout to the workout menu on this watch. So first we will need to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by tapping on it or by pressing the select button. After you wake up the screen, press the select button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, tap on the workout option to open the workout menu. And here we have the list of workouts. And for example, you might be missing something that you want to use as a workout. There's something that you are interested in, but it's not here on the list. You can scroll down, tap on Add Workout, select the category, for example, water sports, and then select the workout from the list. Let's say I want to use sailing. And the workout will be added to the list, as you can see. And you can do a few things. You can edit the goals for the workout. So you can tap on Edit. And here we have Workout Without Goal. You can tap on this option. Oh, my bad. Basically, if you select this option, it will start without goal. Then we have minute goal, time goal. You can select it, and it will start with a goal of the time. And then we have calories, and you can select the calories burned. You can also edit those goals by tapping on the edit icon next to them. Okay. And if you want to remove the workout, you can simply swipe left on it, then tap on X button to remove it. And basically that's how you add the workout to the workout list on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.